Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself needing to move a bunch of information from one Smartsheet to another, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to copy entire columns over to a different sheet in Smartsheet, quickly, accurately, and without any headaches. Whether you're updating project trackers, team lists, or maybe consolidating data, this method is super handy and will save you a ton of time compared to copying cell by cell. Let's jump right in. We're going to focus on a classic and reliable technique, manual copy and paste. While this might sound straightforward, there are some small but important details that will make your life much easier, so be sure to follow along step by step. First things first, open up your source sheet, the sheet that currently has the column you want to copy. This could be anything from a task log to a list of clients or project milestones. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if it's a sheet you haven't used recently. Making sure you're in the right place is a simple step, but it's easy to overlook when you're moving quickly. Next, let's select the entire column you want to copy. To do this, just click on the column header at the top. Usually that's the name of your column, like Start Date or Assigned To. This will highlight everything in that column all the way down the sheet. Now here's a little tip. Right-click anywhere on that highlighted area and choose Copy. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac if you prefer to work quickly with your keys. Copying the entire column at once ensures you capture all the data, even those cells that might be hiding further down than you realize. Once you've got your data copied, head over to your target sheet, the one where you want this information to go. Pause for a second here. Before pasting, you'll need to create a new column to receive the data. Click the plus icon or the option to insert column, and make sure you set up the new column so it matches the same type as the one you're copying from. For example, if your original column was date format, set your new one to date as well. This is really important. Having the right column type will keep your data consistent and prevent any weird formatting issues later on. Think of it like making sure the glass is the right size before pouring in your drink. If it's not, you could end up with a big mess. Now click into the first cell under your new column header and paste Ctrl+V or Command+V depending on your computer. Smartsheet will start filling in all the values you copied, just like stacking up Lego blocks in a row. Give it a moment to process, especially if you're pasting a lot of rows. If you see a pop-up asking about pasting, just confirm, and you should see your information appear exactly as it was in the original sheet. And that's it. This manual copy-paste method is especially great for one-time copies. Maybe you need to set up a new project or share a report without linking the sheets long-term. It keeps things straightforward, no complicated settings needed. If you got stuck at any step, don't worry, just rewind and pause as needed. Sometimes Smartsheet can feel a little fussy with formatting, but with a little patience you'll get it down. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Smartsheet trick you want to learn. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy Smartsheeting!